Understanding the phrase, be cynical about, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating aspect of the English language. We'll explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, be cynical about. This is a common phrase you might encounter in everyday English, and understanding it can really enhance your language skills. So, let's get started. To understand the phrase, we first need to grasp what cynical means. Cynicism refers to a general distrust of others' motives. A cynical person believes that people are motivated by selfishness, rather than acting for honorable or unselfish reasons. Cynicism often involves skepticism and negative perceptions about human behavior. When we say, be cynical about something, we're advising someone to be doubtful or distrustful about it. It means not taking things at face value and considering that there might be hidden motives or less than noble reasons behind it. This phrase is often used in contexts where there is a reason to suspect insincerity or dishonesty. Let's see how this phrase is used in real-life situations. 1. News and media. You should be cynical about sensational news stories. They're often exaggerated to attract viewers. 2. Advertising. Be cynical about those miracle products. They rarely work as advertised. 3. Politics. Voters have become cynical about election promises, knowing they are not always kept. These examples show how being cynical involves a critical, questioning attitude. It's important to recognize situations where being cynical might be appropriate and healthy. For instance, in situations where you're likely to be manipulated or misled, skepticism can protect you from harm. However, it's also crucial not to be overly cynical, as it can lead to a negative outlook on life. And that's a wrap on our exploration of be cynical about. Remember, being cynical means being aware and cautious, but it's also important to find a balance. We hope this video has shed light on this interesting phrase and helps you in your English language journey. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.